Welcome everyone in lecture number 23 of unit 4, and we are discussing CFG to PDA. For a given grammar G, we can design a PDA as where grammar having non-terminals, terminals, productions and a start symbol, it means starting non-terminal. Then PDA will have 7 tuples having a state queue, having input symbol that is same as terminals, having stack symbol. Here we push non-terminals and terminals everything on this stack, and transition. Q is only state, that is start state. S is the stack initial symbol. We start to drive a string from capital S, and at the end stack will get empty. So here we accept the input by making stack empty. And transitions are defined by two rules. Rule 1 is for non-terminal a state q and a non-terminal say a on the top of the stack. Here we do not read input. We assume there is a null string in between the input. We saw whenever there is a non-terminal on the top, we will push the value of non-terminal. Here we push the value of capital A, say it is a alpha, where A tends to alpha is a production, is in P. P is the set of production. Rule number 2 is for terminals. Suppose there is a terminal on the input and a terminal on the top. Then it is a matching. Here we are going to do pop operation. And this is for every terminal. A is just a representation. A can be anything that belong to set of terminal. So for a grammar S tends to AS/A, we designed a PDA as set of state, set of input symbol, it is only A, set of stack symbol S comma A, transitions Q S phi, where transition are as first for the non-terminals. There is only one non-terminal, that is capital S. So Q null or epsilon S is equal to, we have two values of capital S, either AS or A. So Q tends to AS or A. So in place of S we can push AS or A. And we have only one terminal, that is A. Whenever A is on input and A on the top, we will pop it from the stack. So this will be the PDA. And we checked it for input AAA. And we know that from this grammar AAA will be derived from S, as S tends to AS one time, then we will replace S by AS again 2 times. Now we will push A at the place of S. We will replace S by A. So we will derive AAA. So by graphical representation from diagram, it look like we have AAA in input. Cursor is here, Q is the start state. Here we have S, so we replace this S by AS. And input remain same at the cursor A, and state remain Q in whole PDA. So whenever A is matched with A, so we derived 1A, so we have to pop it. In step 2 we will get S here and A here. Cursor will move here. A is read. A is read. Now we reach to this place and S is at the top. Whenever non-terminal is at the top, we have to put the value of this non-terminal. So we have to push here the value of S. We are pushing AS. Now this A and this A will be match. State remain Q here, state remain Q here. So this A will be popped. V will reach to this place and S will be on the top again. So again there is a non-terminal, so we will replace this by A here, and we will reach to this place, and A state remain Q. Here is the matching. We will pop this A, and at the end we will reach to the end of the input. We will reach to the end of the input, and state remain Q, and stack will become empty. Here we get empty stack, so input will be accepted. We can write this procedure as we start from state Q, input is AAA, and stack having capital S. So here we have to replace this S. What we do? We replace this S by AS using rule number. This is rule number 1, this is transition 1, this is transition 2, and this is set transition 3, using 1. Now this show the procedure, this shows step by step procedure. Here we get A in the input and A at the top, so this A will be popped out. We remain with 2A, and this A is popped, so we get S using 3. Now again we get S at the top, so we will replace this S by AS using 1. Now this A is A at the input and A at the top of the stack, so we can pop it. So input remain A, we reach to third A, and stack having S at the top, and here we use rule transition 3 to pop. Now we get S again, so we are going to replace it by transition 2. Using transition 2 we will replace S by A using 2. Here at the end this A is at the input and A at the top, so here we reach to the end of the input, and here we pop it and stack become empty. Here we used rule number 3, and this is the acceptance by empty stack. This is the acceptance by empty stack. So this is a simple way to represent whether a input is accepted or not. At the end, if we reach to this condition at the input and at the end of the input stack is empty, so it is the acceptance by the empty stack. Now look at the another example, and this is the last example for this topic. Suppose we have a grammar S tends to AB slash BA, A tends to A slash AS slash BAA, and B tends to B slash BS slash ABB. And suppose I have to drive AABB AB, and we are going to design PDA first, and then we will check whether this input is accepted or not. So this is BB ABB. So PDA having transition Q null, we have 3 non-terminals, so we have to write transition for each. So first we are writing for S. What we will do, we will replace S by AB or BA. Second, we are going to write for A. A will be replaced by small a or AS or BAA, by A or by AS or by BAA. Third one is capital B. B will be replaced by either B or BS or ABB. These are the transitions for the non-terminal. So now we have to write for terminals. We have two terminals, either A or small a or small b. So we have to write for each. First we are writing for small a. Whenever we get A on the input, A on the top, we will pop it. Similarly, if we get B on the input and B on the top, we will pop it. And PDA will be machine that having state Q, input symbol A comma B, stack symbol. We will push everything on this stack. Here you get A, B, small b, capital S. So it is S, A, B, A comma B. Transitions are as these, and Q is the start state and S is the stack initial symbol, and we accept it by empty stack. So this is the PDA. So when we are going to drive this string, first drive it in rough. How we will drive? First we replace S by AB, then we replace this B by suppose ABB again, then we replace this B by small b, then we replace this B by BS, then we replace this S by say AB, and then we replace this B by B. So we can drive it in this way. So we have to apply same procedure while we are driving it using PDA. We start from Q, input is AABB, AB, and S is the stack symbol. In first step, we are going to replace it by AB. AB, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we using 1. So here A is matched with A, so we have to pop it. Input remain ABB, AB, this is B, using 9. Now we get B. What we are doing? We are replacing this B by ABB. So we replace this B by ABB using B by ABB using 8. Using B by ABB. Okay. So now A is matched with A, so B popped it. Remaining input is BBAB. This is capital B, and here we use 9. Now we replace this B by here we replace this B by small b. So here we replace this B by small b replacing B by small b using 6. Now we pop this B by this B. Remaining input is BAB, it's remain B only, using 10. Now at last we replace this capital B by BS. Now here we are replacing it by BS using 7. Now this B is popped with this B. It remain AB here and S here, and we use transition number 10. Now this S is replaced by AB here, so we will push AB in place of S using 1. Now this A is matching here, we will pop this A from the top of this stack. Input will become B and this become B, and we use transition 9, and at last B is replaced by small b. So here we will replace this B by small b using transition 6, and at last we will pop this B it will be using 10, and here we get accepted by empty stack. So this is all for today's lecture. Thanks for attending.